Good afternoon and welcome to my channel. I have a window here and I'm very fond of it. And here in the center section of the window is my Hoya and I would like to share it with you. It blooms like crazy. Here is a flower number one, cluster of flowers number one. We go down and there is cluster of flowers number two, number three, number four, number five, not open yet, and number six, seven, and eight. And there used to be a 10th one, but when I was cleaning this plant, I removed the peduncle, which is the stem from which the flowers grow. And yes, it's reduced to 9 flowers. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it great? So the secret is, first of all, it's in a very small pot. And I have not transplanted it since the beginning, and the beginning was maybe 20 years ago. So this plant is in the same pot for 20 years. There is almost almost only roots in this pot, almost no soil left. Okay, very, as they say, root bound this plant is. Second thing is there is quite a lot of light here. This is a south facing window. There is a hedge here that gives a little bit of shade on the other side, and the window frame gives a little bit of shade to the leaves and to the plant as well, to the stems. But there is quite a fair amount of light here. Okay. And the other thing is that I don't water it regularly. Sometimes I water it quite abundantly. I pour the water in the little container in which the pot is standing, so then there is quite a lot of water in it. But then I let the plant dry and I wait a little bit before I water it again. So I'm soaking it occasionally, and occasionally between the soakings the plant is left quite dry. Okay, I'm very, very happy with it. I'm very happy with it. The flowers of a Hoya grow from a peduncle. Look at it. You see? So there is a little flowering stem, which is called a peduncle, and at the tip of this flowering stem, there is a cluster of flowers. Okay, so it's very important not to remove this peduncle, because the flowers are blooming from the same peduncle over and over and over again. And if you remove it, then the spot from which the flowers might form is removed, and there will be no flowers at that spot anymore. Okay, so this peduncle, look how long it is. So it means it is a very old peduncle, and it produced many the clusters of flowers many times over and over and over again. Okay, so the longer it is, the older it is, the longer it is producing flowers. Okay, I hope you like my Hoya carnosa. Carnosa is a Hoya that is very easy to grow, very easy to make bloom. This is not the case with many other Hoyas. Some Hoyas are very tricky. Some Hoyas are very, very moody. This one is not. This one is just easy peasy. It grows everywhere. It grows nicely. Okay. If you ever want to make another Hoya from this, taking cuttings is a very also a good strategy. You just break a stem, you take a piece of a stem, you put it in water, you wait till it produces roots, you put it in the soil in a pot, and it will produce a new plant, it will produce roots, and you will have a new Hoya. So that's how you reproduce Hoya. That's how you propagate Hoya. Okay? Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like my Hoya because I'm very proud of it. Have a very good afternoon.